and hello everybody. A lot of questions used to pop in my head while I was a child. Why did I ever learn sine theta and cos theta? Why did I waste so much years of my life studying irrelevant topics for my life? Well, do you think I have perfect answers for all these questions?
Well, I do not have perfect answers to any of these questions. What? You are a cheat!
Wait, don't label me a cheat. Let me share my viewpoint first. Remember the situation when we were a kid and our mother used to prepare a lot of dishes for us out of love? There were three options that were present before us. Some dishes we loved, we still eat them. Some we hate, we stopped eating them. And as we grew up, we started finding some of the other dishes that our mother didn't used to prepare. And we started loving them. But the basis of all this is that whatever our mother prepares, we used to taste. We understand the fact that every dish in the world cannot be prepared by our mother. She doesn't have the knowledge, or maybe she doesn't have the expertise. So we started learning about different dishes from online platforms, from different delivery sites, from different people, maybe other mothers, or from different countries. We started tasting them, we started loving them. Till here, there is no problem. But imagine a situation whenever we see a mother, we started saying, "Oh mother, you don't know to prepare this. Look at that Bunty's mother, look at the Bubbly's mother, look at the American mother, look at the European mother, look at the Czechoslovakian mother." In the same way, when we were a kid, the Indian education system provides us with some subjects like the dishes our mother makes. Some we love. We start pursuing them in our graduation and post-graduation, and we center a career around it. Some we hate. We do not turn our eyes towards it after our matriculation. But some are not there in our universities. We learn it from online or from other universities. Till here, there is no problem. But problem arises from now.
Problem? What is the problem in that?
The first problem is blame game. Whatever failures and setbacks come in our life, without taking responsibility ourselves, we start blaming the education system. We say, this was not taught to us, that was not taught to us, so this is the problem that arises. For example, if I'm feeling very itchy now, it's because I have not taken a bath. But I can say, oh my god, due to corona I am so lazy, I have to work from home, I cannot bath. But I'm feeling itchy due to this corona. Why am I blaming this corona? It's because I have not taken the bath. So if I am having a failure and setback, I have to take responsibility over it and I have to find the solution over it. I cannot blame somebody. But this is the proper culture that is happening nowadays. The blaming culture. Problem 2. He is right attitude. When we start blaming, we blame as if we are 100% right and every fault goes to the system. But when a younger generation hears us, they say, oh, this guy has so much of experience, so maybe he is right. And this he is right attitude blocks them from loving the dishes that the education system provides. And maybe who knows, they can love some of the dishes and excel in it. They can pursue their career in it. Who knows, maybe we are blocking that.
अरे बस कर यार, solution बताना, कुछ है क्या तेरे पास?
According to me, solutions are 2 points. The first one, a lot of people blame the system so that the younger generation can understand what is right and what is wrong. But if you truly want to help the younger generation, find your passion, find your hobby, what you want to pursue in your life. Go behind that, excel in that, and show the younger generation that there is this path also to success. Point number 2. If you want to really change the system, get into the system and be the change you want to see in the system. I would like to disclose here that I am not for and against the Indian education system. I accept that a lot of positive reforms need to be there in the education system. And for that, we need positive people. And so, I'm truly against the blaming culture that is present in our nation and among us youths. The views expressed here are my personal views, and I am not a person to force my views on someone else. This is just my method to express and share.
Sine theta and cos theta are used by people in oceanography, architecture, trigonometry, etc. etc. For them, sine theta and cos theta was not at all a waste in their life. So, stop blaming, be responsible. And one more thing, I didn't say I don't have any answer to my questions. I said I don't have perfect answers to my questions. No system is perfect. Stop blaming, start solving.